Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing Goomi from Minions and Monsters. So let's get started. To draw a cute Goomi, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. And now my circles in, they're not that big, so I won't make them draw so cute eyes. So if you like, you can come in here, right at this top area, draw in the circle for a highlight, and then come back in, and then draw another circle right in the center, and then shade this part in. Then when you're coloring, this is where Goomi's eye color will be. So same thing on this side. Highlight, and then another circle inside. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just shade it all in black with one highlight at the top. There. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go up under the eye and just kind of lightly draw a curve right underneath the eye. And then above the eye, let's draw another curve. And same thing here. Then we need to draw the mouth area, right? So let's come to the center area and we're going to draw this kind of like tentacle-ish kind of mouth. So I'll say about right here and here, right in the center area. I'll give myself these 2 points and I'm going to come down with a curve. Same thing here. And then I'll bring it down a little bit more. And round it off and connect. There. So we have our first one. Then we're going to draw 2 more on each side, 1 on each side. So I'm going to come next to it and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. And this time it won't come down as low. But we just kind of want to tuck it right next to it. And same thing over here. So it's easier for my hand on this side to do this, so I'll go this way. But we just want to create these 3 shapes right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the mouth. So let's say about right here. I'm going to just pick a spot kind of about here. We're going to draw a slight curve going up and then rounding it off and then bring it in. There, and then same thing on the other side. I'm going to drag this point across and go up and round it off and bring it down. There, just trying to make Goomi look happy. And if you like, you can come in here and just put in some teeth. So maybe just like 2 curves here lightly to finish it off. Then we need to draw the head. So the head is kind of this dumpling shape. So I'm going to, let's see here. Let's just pick, you know what? Let's come from under here first. We're going to use this point right here. And I'm going to come right next to this level. And we're going to come out with a curve. Oops, sorry, with a line coming out at the bottom. Same thing here. So we're just drawing the bottom and we're going to go up. Around the mouth. So just go back and forth. I'll go around the mouth and go up. There, so now we have the bottom. You know, we want to go up nice and high, so I'm going to go from here and go up. And let's go ahead and bring it in. So I'm kind of sketching my curve right now since it's so big. And let's say about right there. That's my center, so it's kind of like this big dumpling head. Kind of reminds me of a green mochi. And so then we're going to bring it all the way back down. Same thing on the other side. So see what you're comfortable doing. Maybe you're just more comfortable drawing the whole head shape first. You can do that as well. So just bring it all the way down to meet back up. There. Okay, so just one big dumpling. So now that I have that, I'm going to lightly in this area, it's kind of, he has this mouth area, right? It's very subtle. So that's why I have a curve right here. Just imagine kind of curving. And then about right here, I'm just going to very lightly curve it in. So same thing here. Just imagine this is coming through. You can also do this when you're coloring. So that's not a harsh black line, but you just kind of want to give it that little definition. That I thought was kind of important for the mouth. Okay, so we're done with the head. So now let's draw the body. So with the body, let's simplify it. So maybe like we're under the eye, about right here. Same thing here. I'll give myself 2 points and I'll just come out slightly at an angle. Just wearing this little robe. So with that, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more. And from there, if you're using a pencil, just finish the rope first. But I don't want to erase, so I'm going to stop about right there because I need to put in the hands. So I'm going to come back right about here. And we're going to come out with a curve. And about in this area, I'm going to come back to this area and I'm going to curve around and down about right there and connect it. There, and then in this area we can go ahead and just draw a simple hand, the thumb, need 3 curves and finish it off. And then I'll just come in here for some details. There, and then whatever space you have left, just finish off the robe. And same thing here. Just bring it down a little bit more. 2 here. And then we're going to flare it out a tiny bit and then just kind of give it a little bump at the bottom to finish it off. And connect. There with a soft curve. And if you like, you can come in here and just lightly give a curve for some definition. Then on this hand, if you wanted to have him holding a torch, come right about here. And same thing like the other side. We're going to start about right here. I'm going to bring it down, curve, and then about right here. Bottom part. So on this side, we need to, let's see here, we're going to open up the robe. So come here with a curve and connect to create this opening right here. Then from there, let's continue this out a little bit, and I'm going to come right here and draw a thumb. Right about here, and then on this side we're going to draw the fingers. So next to this thumb, I'm going to put in 1 finger, another one, and another one. And I'm just going to come right here and connect it. So 2 and 3. There, just creating 3 fingers right there. Now in this space right here is where we're going to put the torch. So I'm going to come right here and here and continue down. So right into the space. And about right here, I'll just cut it off. Right about there. And then whatever space you have left, just finish this part off. And then the rest of his hand. put in that curve right there. And so then in this top space, you're just continuing this. And same thing here. So then whatever space you have left, just finish it off. So just continue this torch, going up and coming and getting a little bit wider as you go up. And say about right there, I'll stop and I'm going to connect it with a curve to the top of our torch. And then we're going to continue going up again. Same thing here. So just make sure you're just going at the same angle. And then about right here, I'll just cut it off again. And then we're going to draw a very simple flame. So just come up, you get one curve, another one going up higher, and connect back in. There. Some details if you like. There. Okay, so then you can also put in some creases here as well. And here. And I believe that is pretty much it, except of course, let's give our Goomi here a little heart to make it my Draw So Cute Goomi from Minions and Monsters. I really hope I helped you draw this cute Goomi fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.